So if you can kindly check my channel and tell me if you can see my live video. If you can see my live video. I'm live on YouTube, guys. Okay, still loading technically, so I'm not yet live. Okay, I'm live now. I'm live now. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen. Entire screen. Let's go for screen 2. Now. Okay. Done. Why is it saying? Why is it not showing that up? Okay, finally now I think it's working. I think finally it's working. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can see my screens now. So you can listen to me on TikTok and go on YouTube and see my thingy, whatever you choose, guys. And Danzi, I've actually gone live now, and it says there's 1 person viewing. So it means that finally I'm actually live on YouTube. Yes. So ACM, we are live now. Yeah. So guys, you can see that are stepping in here and here. They're making me a little bit uncomfortable. That's why right now, as much as gold is going up, I am not buying gold. And right now, this side, everything has stopped printing here. On my side here, I use indicators, guys. I use softwares to trade. So a good example of a good trade, let me show you. So these are my buyers, these are my sellers, and then as well. Okay. So now the fact that here we've stopped printing completely on M1, you can clearly see down here. If you're on TikTok, guys, please go on my YouTube channel. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Everything has stopped printing on gold right here. So technically, gold is now in a range. So now I am waiting for a setup. However, if I go to the on market profile, but I'm still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting. There's nothing to trade. I have money in my account. I trade with HFM, and I'm happy with HFM, guys. The withdrawals are like instant now. So, yeah, if you really need a good broker, that my YouTube channel is Mdlalose. I'm not going to be charging anything when it comes to this trading thingy on my side. I'm actually going to be going live every single day. You are not going to pay a dime, nothing, zero. Come and join every day and we trade together. It makes sense. So, here's the first problem today. Okay. Here's the second. Okay. So, I'm looking at this value area first. Guys, this is the value area right here. So, today we are looking at the markets coming back and retesting this zone right here. And then to go back up. Okay. Or come and retest this low volume node down here, which is essentially, it might be a possible stop hunt below the current daily lows before we actually resume the uptrend. We've got this open freeway right here. Let me show you guys. Right. So from here, all the hidden gap, there are candles, but this is a gap. You can see how previous day value area. Come to my YouTube channel, guys. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the value area. Market has a memory. This is what you need to understand about trading. Market is a memory. So this level here, with so many things open and so my softwares, they're draining the CPU. And it's not as, yeah. So you're looking at around 41.28 or 41.30, somewhere around there. This is where you're, and comes back down there, right? This is another possible bounce area right here before the market shoots back up. So I'm gonna leave it right from there, right there. HFM, but I do my data with other brokers to see if they are in line with world-class brokers, you know. Because I'm in South Africa, I prefer to walk into a broker where I will speak to people if I have a problem with my withdrawal and stuff. That's why I prefer to use HFM, because they have an office in Sentin. Okay, even though yes, there are other better brokers in the world that you can use, but I prefer HFM, guys. I advocate for HFM because of their withdrawals. They're like lightning. I can show you tons of withdrawals that I've done with these guys, and they are that quick. So yeah, if you really want a good broker, inbox me on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever. Let's chat together on HFM. I'm going to be doing this every day, guys, by the way, for free. No charge, new signals in real time, guys. It's like giving you signals in real time. So yeah, it's like giving you signals in real time. Trust me. Trade, nothing. Markets are dead. Okay, some people, they say, yeah, this time around the markets are quiet. I can sort of like agree to that, because we can clearly see that the markets are quiet. Let me get something to drink. Chocho, hi. Can I have a glass of Coke Zero, please? Okay. So it's markets are dead, guys. Markets are dead. Both my indicators are saying don't fall for anything. There's nothing happening there. And then here the buyers are starting to, sort of the sellers are creeping in there. They are not as strong, but there's nothing to trade on gold. If you are long on gold, yes, odds are not yet stacked in your favor. You'll see when the odds are stacked in your favor on gold. You'll see. I mean, when it sets up, I'll tell you that, okay, now it is set up. So you can compare your system with my system, or how you trade to how I trade. But right now, if you're in gold, I think you will suffer, because there isn't much happening right now, guys. Yeah. Thank you. So, guys, double tap the screen for like on TikTok. Invite other traders. Go and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mdlalose. Let's trade together live. Come to my YouTube channel, Mdlalose. You'll be able to see my screens as in right now. Yeah, I've shown you exactly the possible 41.28 or 41.30. It will be stretching the markets. It can happen 41.30 to be a possible bounce area. If ever the markets shoot down, to be a possible big and good buying zone. Okay, do not freeze, because sometimes when I do this thing decides to freeze and starts. Yeah, let me put in 6 days. I hope I won't have to. All right, let's leave it at 6 days. Let's go back to this one and forget about that one while it's loading. Right, guys, double check the screen. Gold trader, currently there's nothing. Go make yourself a cup of coffee and come back. Come in then for free. I'm figuring out this YouTube thing, guys. Please bear with me. And yeah, I'm going to leave all the videos up so that you guys in the future can go back and watch them and learn. But you must know today market has a memory for high value areas, or double tap the screen for like, double tap the screen for like. Guys, we are trading gold. It's boring right now because I'm just talking, because there's nothing. I wish I can play a song or something, guys, because right now, honestly speaking, there's nothing to trade. The markets are dead. Even though we are technically we are in an uptrend, but the uptrend is weak. So how many of you are trading Nasdaq? Maybe I can, and US 30. How many of you are trading Nasdaq and US 30? Maybe I can just show you something, because I do have a template for those. I can trade those if I want to, but I don't like them. I like gold. I like to focus on one currency. I can trade Nasdaq and US 30. For those that trade Nasdaq and US 30, that's as far as I can go. Right, let's do this. Let's put in US 30 first and see what is happening today. Maybe I can leave it up there for people that trade US 30. For people that trade US 30, maybe they can. Nothing. US 30 has nothing, guys. Let me shrink the chart. Nothing. You see how blank it is down here. You're trading Nasdaq, sorry, US 30. This was your entry. If you can't be happy with these pips here, I don't know, then stop trading. According to my softwares, there's nothing, zero. It's blank. And this guy doesn't lie, eh? I don't want to inquiries about my software, please, guys. I don't share any softwares or sell any softwares. I'm here to teach you trading. I can teach you market profile, which is very good. So you see, US 30 on the 11th of November, how it performed was bam, gone. Today, if you're trading US 30, there's nothing on my side. Double tap the screen for like. US 30, there is nothing. Now let's check out Nasdaq. Change the template there. Yes, take 2, Nasdaq M15-2. This is the right one. Okay, so if you're trading Nasdaq at 11, I don't know what time is your broker time. Let me check on HFM. What time was that? Profile. So here you see the previous day there was activity here. I don't know if you guys can see my cursor there. I don't know if my cursor is moving. So the previous action was here. The following day, the action came back here again. Market has memory, guys. So here, the previous activity was here. So you need to watch out in the future for this level. That's a very important level. Okay. And then down here, that's another important level. Guys, if you're on TikTok, you want to see my screen, you want to see what I'm talking about, come and join my YouTube channel. YouTube channel is Mdlalose. Right. This is kind of slow because of so many things that I'm running. I've got softwares running, I've got this running, so bear with me. But I'm gonna tell you what time we will be recording these sessions. Every day it might start at 8. In fact, watch out for my YouTube and TikTok, guys. I'm not gonna be selling you any system, guys. Please note that the purpose of this live is not to sell you anything. I am not going to sell any system. I'm not going to engage myself in any teaching anybody anything. It's just for push me and say, please teach me to trade and stuff. Guys, I'm saying it's training. You see, now the problem is the market profile drains a lot of it calculates a lot. It's not easy on the CPU on my computer, so it freezes my charts. So now I need to close this guy and reopen him. So put the US 30. Why do I have a buy limit there? What the hell? Did I put a buy limit by mistake? Jeez, man. US 30 template. And then I'm going to put it on M5. Just in case we have a setup. But I don't trade US 30, guys. I only focus on my gold. So I'm just going to do... Right, double tap the screen for like. There's nothing to trade now, guys. I wish I can even stop these videos now and come back later. Just that the problem with trading, you stop a video, by the time you try to go on another live again, that's where the setup is. And, you know, people think you don't know what you're talking about. You also trade the new session open. Yes, Rudzani Mukundi. Rudzani Mukundi, yes, I do trade the New York session open. Yes, I do trade that. The sessions, except the Asian are usually structured, guys. I don't like it anymore. But anyway, my softwares can pick up even the slowest markets. So I can technically trade anything, but I like my sleep, yeah? And I'm a married man, so to be waking up at night and looking at the markets, it's not ideal when you are married. Okay? Some action on gold happening. Action on gold. Right. All right, guys. Let's close the S30 and focus on gold because there's a big jump. I don't know if it's a real one. I'm just going to reload my templates. Not yet, but guys, please note, I will tell you thing. 5. Right, there's nothing for now, guys. So you guys can relax. There's a big jump on gold now, but None of my softwares are falling for this move for now. So you better get in late on a trade, but if a trade, rather than to jump in early and be in trouble. So guys, yes, there's a jump on gold. I am not interested in it right now because all the other things are not lining up with this trade. So I'm actually going to watch it. Yes, it's jumping. It's okay. Okay, you guys can still see my screen perfect. Double check the screen on light because 1 minute is starting. It's noted right there. So yes, if you are trading gold, there's a possible buy that is setting up right now. Not yet, guys, on my side. I'm just trying to my charts. Now I'm stuck on my main trading platform on HFM. Gold. There's a possible long setting up. I'm not yet in it. I'm still watching because I need the 5 to come and okay this trade. Kind of like let's go. If the 5 doesn't jump in, I'm not interested. I'm not taking this trade. All right. Possible buy on gold, not yet. Possible buy on gold. Possible buy. Possible buy on gold. I need the 5 minutes to kick in now. I need the 5 minutes to kick in. I'm waiting for the 5 to kick in. Guys, it's okay. Good for you if you're long on gold already because it's going up. But for me, because I missed the earlier move, I am waiting. I'm waiting for a re-entry on gold. If I don't get it, it's okay. My coach always said, told me one thing and said, who's going to die first, you or the market? And the answer was me. So he said, if you are going to die first before the market, you rather wait for your setup. You don't have to rush. You are going to die first before the market. So why are you rushing? It means that in your lifetime, you've got plenty of opportunities that you can still take when it comes to trading. Double check the screen for like, invite other traders, invite your mentor. They might learn a thing or two from Mdlalose. So guys, if you want to see my screen, go to YouTube and look for Forex Trader Mdlalose. I'm actually live there. You can see my screen right there. We are trading gold live. We are trading gold live. Guys, ask trading questions. Don't ask me what is a PEEP, what is CFD, what is no, guys, please. No, let's not ask those genuine sorry, those questions. You can go online and ask those questions from GPP or DeepSeek or other AIs or Google or Bing or Yandex or whatever. Ask me real trading questions about what is happening in the markets right now. Guys, I'm not long on gold as yet because I need the 5 minute to confirm this trade, but the 5 minute hasn't confirmed this move, so I'm still waiting. If the 5 minute confirms this trade, then I'm going to gladly jump in. Double tap the screen for like. I'm trying to reconnect